Yes guys, F32 Mick here. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is changing my exhaust. Now this isn't something that I actually planned on doing, but what's actually happened is my current exhaust has actually split in the middle, which is causing it to bounce like off the body of the car sometimes, like if I go over like a harsh bump. So I've already bought a new exhaust system that's currently at the garage. So I'm heading over to Bin Ali's. So you would have seen him on the channel if you're a frequent watcher. He's actually got the BMW, the white M140. So I'm just gonna head over to his, as he's a mechanic, and get this stuck on. Let's go. Yes guys, so finally here. Oh, it's finally going up now. So I'm getting it to come up. Got Bin Ali over there as well. Anything. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll show you the damage. It's mainly this point here. That's where the damage is. Yeah. You can see where we have welded it up previously. But yeah. Yes guys, so here it is. This is where the damage is now. You can see the weld has held up okay, but still if I go over something massive, obviously, it just bounces. So yeah, it's starting now already. But yeah, what I'll just do is put you guys on a time lapse so you can just see the whole process. it is, just coming down. And what I'm going to do as well is, I'm keeping my back box, but I'm going to take the tip off that, and then I'm going to get it welded up. Yes guys, so that's finally been done. I'm finally back home now. Dropped Binali off as well, even though he does, you know, live right next to me. But yeah, thanks so much to Binali. Obviously I weren't expecting to make this video, but my exhaust, as I said, was bouncing off. So it's literally like, it felt like it was under here. So it was like bang, 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 like when I'm going over bumps and just little indiscrepancies in the road. But yeah, it was very, very annoying. But that's all sorted now. Obviously you drove it back, it's perfectly fine. But yeah guys, I know it's a quick one, but if you liked it, please like, share, subscribe. Share the videos as well. I hope you have a nice one guys, and I'll catch you in another video.